Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Remove the two 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right speaker to the top cover. Lift the right speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and set aside. Peel back the metallic tape that covers the right hinge and power connector. Remove the three 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Open the right display panel hinge. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Lift the power connector out of the cradle on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the power connector cable.